Hello guys, welcome. Just ignore my notifications. When will it load? It's been 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 seconds. Hmm. Oh, come on, it's only loading a bit. Oh my gosh. Bro, please. Oh. Okay, finally. Wait, where am I? Where am I? Oh. Just ignore that. That's my tita watching some Facebook reels. This is the best. Do you want me to show the world spawn? If you want to, I'll show you the world spawn is. Wow! I was but but I saw the X button and then I pressed it. Come on. Mm, mm, mm. Let me show you the spawn. It's somewhere right here. I think. Hmm, where is it? You know what? Just so that we can. Bro! What the? Is this a glitch? Never mind. Okay. Oh, come on. Let's try dying in lava. Never mind. I think it's near a pair of flowers. Yeah, yeah, it's near. Near. Darn it. Darn it. Darn it. Oh, that's the spawn. Finally, I found the spawn point of the world. Let me just upgrade it if you have time. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Sorry, but this was a short video, so goodbye, guys. I'll release a part 2